In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily post a picture on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app and then make sure you are signed into your YouTube account. Once it is done, to post a picture, tap right here at this plus and then drag this toolbar until you find post. That will open up your camera roll, and from here we can select a picture we would like to post. We can select up to 5 pictures at once, just in that way. Just stop and add them to select and then hit add next. On that step we are able to add some text, filters or stickers to our images, and also we can crop them to that square frame, just like that. Just crop the first one, the second one, and all other pictures in the same way. Then we'll be able to write a message here, so that will be actually a post in our YouTube community, so we can write down here any text, and then also we'll be able to edit each particular picture, and also in here we can remove that pictures. Now the pictures are being uploaded, so we can't interact with these two and once it is done, the uploading process, we'll be able to edit those pictures, and also we'll be able to remove them by tapping at that trash icon. Once you are ready to post a pictures, just tap right here at this post button. That's how you can easily post a picture on YouTube.